Have you ever laughed at the exact moment your heart was breaking? Someone tells a joke after you've had the worst day of your life, and suddenly you're laughing. Not because you're happy, but because crying feels impossible. It sounds strange, but your brain sometimes laughs to protect you from emotions that feel too painful to face. And once you understand why, you'll never look at your own laughter the same way again. Imagine this. A young woman walks into her friend's birthday party. She smiles, she laughs at every joke, she even takes funny photos with everyone. No one notices that just an hour earlier, she had received a message ending a relationship she thought would last forever. Everyone thinks she's okay. Even she starts wondering, why am I laughing when I should be crying? Later that night, alone in her room, the silence finally catches up with her. The tears she couldn't find before suddenly arrive all at once.
Psychologists call this an emotional defense mechanism. When emotions become overwhelming, the brain sometimes creates distance from the pain. For some people, that distance appears as laughter. It's not fake happiness. It's the nervous system trying to reduce emotional overload. Your brain is constantly asking one question: can I survive this feeling? If the answer feels uncertain, it may temporarily replace sadness with something easier to express. Laughter releases tension. It gives your mind a few precious seconds to avoid being completely overwhelmed. In a strange way, it's your brain trying to protect you. Many people who laugh during painful moments aren't emotionally weak. They're often the ones who have carried heavy emotions for years without feeling safe enough to express them. Some grew up believing that crying made them a burden. Others learned that showing sadness invited judgment. So their emotions found another language: a smile, a joke, a laugh hiding behind exhausted eyes.
The surprising truth is this: the opposite of sadness isn't laughter. Sometimes, laughter is simply sadness wearing a mask. The louder the laugh, the deeper the silence underneath. So, the next time you catch yourself laughing when your heart wants to cry, don't judge yourself. Pause. Listen. Your emotions aren't confused. They're trying to protect you the only way they know how. And healing begins the moment you stop asking, "Why am I laughing?" and start asking, "What pain have I been afraid to feel?" Because sometimes, the strongest smile is simply a quiet cry waiting to be heard.